going on, guys? Cold weather is actually starting to set in up north, so I got into UGAZ today because it's looking like it's going to start to be a reversal, so I'm looking for the long side of that. ACB is bouncing off the support level, so I'm looking long for that as well. And let's get right into these charts and see what we're looking at.
All right, guys, we're going to hop right into the UGAZ here first. And I was looking for it to bounce off this 18 level here, but it just kept dumping. So I was just waiting for confirmation, and it finally happened today. So if I zoom in here real quick, you can see I actually bought in at 1430. And I was actually reminded by my wife today. She's like, yeah, you know it's going to be cold this weekend? I wasn't even thinking about UGAZ, but I looked at the chart today, and I saw it start ripping, and then it clicked in my head. Oh, shit, cold weather. So then I hopped right in it here at 1430. I don't even know what comes out of my mouth sometimes. I'm expecting to be in UGAZ for a long play now. All right, so let's go over here and take a look at the weather forecast coming up. So I guess I'm going to play weatherman today. Here we have a cold front that's actually starting to push down in the whole United States. And this is what we need for UGAZ to pop, because we need to start using a lot of the supply that we have right now. Because the more natural gas that we use up, the more UGAZ is going to go up because the price is going to go up. So if you look at this right here, we can actually look at the temperatures around here, and they're actually getting kind of cold. You got 54 here, over here out west, you got 52. So like the temperatures are starting to drop. And if you look at the map right here, like the cold weather is starting to creep down very slowly. So I think right now is actually a great time to get into UGAZ. Don't listen to me though. Make sure you do your own research on this before you get into any stock. I'm just telling you why I got into UGAZ today. So if we look at /NG here, we got a long ways here to rip up. Our first line of resistance is going to be right around here at about 246-ish, and that's going to be probably with UGAZ right around $18. And on my last video that I made, that's where I thought it was going to bounce off of, but it just kept on dumping. But you can see here, it did bounce off this support level here right around 221 very nicely. It just nicked it and ripped right up. So I think at least for another couple more days, we're going to start ripping until we get up to this resistance area right here, which would be $18 on UGAZ. These ETFs though, you have to be very careful though. Like I always like to get in and out of them, but this is not a stock that you just want to walk away and say, hey, I'm not going to look at it or whatever. You want to keep an eye on this stock, and you want to make sure you know what's going on with the news, because this thing could go either way very quickly. So just remember that you have to keep an eye on this stock. It's a 3 times ETF. And the last one here we're going to be looking at is ACB. I thought it was going to bounce off the support level here, so I put a limit buy in right under it, and it filled, of course, and then it just kept on dumping right down. But now we're breaking off of this support level right here at about $4. I'm looking for the stock to keep ripping right now because it is very low. See, if you go to the 10-year 2-day chart, you'll see what I mean. You see it's way down here. And I'm not going to get much into it because I was talking about it on my live stream yesterday. But I'm definitely looking for this thing to start reversing right now. So this is basically part of the reason why it's also ripping up right now. They had some news today. So the company provided an update on the global operations of its growth and innovations. Aurora said construction on a number of new facilities for cultivating production nearing completion. So I'm not going to sit here and read all this news, but it's very good news. You should do your own research on this. So these are 2 main stocks that I'm in right now. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get content on flowing. I'm flowing content out all the time. And like this video if you guys enjoyed it. I should probably talk a little bit here because YouTube cut my video short last time I made. So I'm just going to go blah, 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 blah. Let's make some money!